If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen and make life easier, I've got 5 game-changing gadgets you're going to love. Let's dive in. First up, the Chefman 6-quart dual basket air fryer. Imagine cooking 2 completely different meals at the same time. With easy view windows, sync finish technology, and auto shutoff, it's not just an air fryer, it's a time saver for busy families. Next, the Owala FreeSip water bottle. This isn't your average bottle. It's insulated stainless steel, keeps your drinks cold for hours, and has a super unique FreeSip straw that lets you sip or swig your way. Perfect for travel, gym, or just staying hydrated on the go. Number 3, the Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater. Forget about struggling with knives or regular graters. Just place your cheese, veggies, or nuts inside, give it a crank, and you've got perfectly shredded ingredients in seconds. Plus, it's safer for your fingers and super easy to clean. Coming in at number 4, the Ninja BN801 Professional Plus Kitchen System. This is a powerhouse. With 1,400 watts of blending power, you can make smoothies, chop veggies, mix dough, and so much more. It comes with a large blender pitcher, a food processor bowl, and 2 to-go cups, so it's like having an entire kitchen system in one. And finally, the Immersion Hand Blender. This 3-in-1 tool is perfect for soups, sauces, and creamy drinks. With 20 variable speeds, a whisk, and a milk frother attachment, it's compact but powerful, the kind of gadget you'll find yourself using every day. Now, here's the real question: which one of these kitchen gadgets would you add to your home first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to grab any of them, I've left all the links in the description and pinned comment. Check them out and bring some serious power to your kitchen today.